Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you this brand new hard drive I got. It's a WD Green SSD 1TB. This one right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox it and I will show you what it will look like. Okay, so I'm taking the hard drive out of the box and here's what it will look like. And it's so small, as you can see. Alright, and here's what it would look like with taken out of the plastic thing. And this is the hard drive. So yeah, this is my brand new hard drive. I'm either gonna save it or I'm gonna build a new PC for it in the future. And we'll see what's gonna happen because I'm waiting on these new AMD 4000 CPU and a motherboard, so that way I can exchange my old one that I have right now. I got a motherboard with AMD Ryzen 7 1700, so it's a big upgrade for me from 1700 to 4000, and hopefully it will make a much big difference out of the from playing games on there, hopefully. With this hard drive, I got this around about $100 on Amazon. And here's the website. I'll give it to you down in the description below. And I will also give you some information about the hard drive on the screen here. My last big upgrade for my computer was a graphics card. I got a 2070 regular, and my old graphics card was a 1070, so that was my last upgrade for my computer, and I can't wait for the new CPUs, what I said earlier. So that's all I'm going to share today about this hard drive. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.